Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the UNI-T UT33B Plus Digital Multimeter. So first let's unbox it. Inside the box we get two probes and an instruction sheet along with the meter itself. We can connect probes like this. This is how it looks. The body is made of plastic and it's about the size of my hand, so very compact and easy to carry. On the back, there's a stand. We can pull it down to place the multimeter upright on the table. On the front, you can see the LCD screen. There's also a switch for turning on the backlight. Now let's look at the main functions. We can measure DC voltage up to 600 volts, AC voltage up to 600 volts, DC current up to 10 amps. Battery test allows you to check the real health of 1.5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts batteries under load. Resistance up to 20 megohms. Continuity test. This one is very useful. When you connect the probes across a wire or circuit, it makes a beep sound if the connection is good. Perfect for troubleshooting. We also have a hold button. This is useful when you want to freeze the reading on the screen. If you press hold, and it will save the last value until you release it. So that's the UNI-T UT33B Plus. It's small, lightweight, and has all the essential functions for beginners, students, and DIY electronics work. If you need a budget multimeter that covers the basics, this is a really good option. Thanks for watching, and follow for more tech tips.